Hey everybody, Justin here with Ultra Bright Lightz, and today I'm going to give you an overview of the UBL Color Flood bar. This bar is a part of our Color Flood series, which is a unique line of off-road lights that also include functionality such as warning lights, arrow patterns, and more. Let me show you all the great features that this light has. First off, the optic is a combination optic. It's a spot and flood in one. As you can see, the entire bar is dual color, so it alternates all red and all blue. The wiring harness is 10 feet long, which is plenty of wire for powering it up. And the wiring harness has multiple different wires that come out of the back. You have your inline fuse here, which can be removed. Just make sure you add in a fuse from close to your power source. Next, you have 3 modes, and each mode can be set to a different pattern and a different color. So you can have the light flash all red, all white, or steady burn white. So you can have it steady burn white for off-road, or flashing white for a strobe function. And then you can have it flash on another mode with both colors. You can also set it to be an arrow pattern like this, where you have left, right, and center out. The light is a total of 7,200 lumens, and it's 108 watts of total power. It has over 100 flash patterns, and there's 2 easy ways to mount it. First is using the included arch brackets, which connect right to the side of the light. These lights are about 3 inches long and can pivot up and down. Or on the undercarriage, let me just power this off. On the undercarriage, there's a sliding channel where you can mount this to any sort of bracket that we sell here at Ultra Bright Lightz, or a bracket you might already have. So 2 very easy ways to mount the light, which makes it very easy to install. The light is 20 inches long, and it has a 2-year manufacture from us here at UBL. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.